Right, today we're at the Holborn Hotel in Thurso, most lovely town in UK. So, booked a single room, ensuite. So let's have a look what it's like, shall we? So this is the bed. Clean. Padding there. Like a leather. Mattress protector. Mattress clean, yeah. So, I've got a lamp. I don't know where that's for then. The socket there. Ah, there you go. There's a lamp there. And nice photograph there. So, right, so the chair is a bit stained. Got your tea, coffee, milks, little coffee mug, kettle, water in there. Looks pretty much clean. Just needs rinse out. Right, that's the TV. So let's have a look. Radiator there, and then you've got this wardrobe thing. It's got a couple of hangers. Yeah, TV works. So, and then you've got a window there, which opens up like this way. Right, you've got towels there as well. And this, and as you can see, I've got my luggage there. And then information, flyer, and places to visit in the Northern Islands. Yeah. So it explains here regarding breakfast and stoppers and lunches, and to check out by 10. Right, this is the bathroom. Let's have a look, shall we? Right, a bit dark in here. Right, so this is the shower. Let's see the shower head. Oh, not sure on that. A bit. Could do with a good clean. But yeah. And then you've got the Scottish Fine Soups Company Sea Kelp. And then hand washer. Don't like that, there's no toilet seat on there. Hate it. And you've got shower mat there. And shavers there, different voltages, and your taps and your shelf. So yeah, seems pretty clean, and you've been there as well. It's just that I don't like that. I don't like the fact there's no toilet lid on a toilet, and that's your lock. So yeah. But yeah, so, and then you got your fire thing there, and there's a little hook there, a picture hook, so you won't get much on that. And a hook behind the door. Actually, is there a hook on that door? Yeah, there is. So, I didn't even check to see if the shower curtain was clean, to be honest. Let's try that again, shall we? Yeah, shower curtain looks clean, yeah. So, yeah. So let me know in the comments what you think. There's a bin there as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget it's free to subscribe. So if you're enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.